Hello friends, this video on data handling part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now, while we are talking about organizing data, let's take one more example to help us understand why organize data. So let's say that we have a group of people. So let's say that we conducted a survey on finding out the favorite fruit of the people in the group. So let's say now we have named the people as A, B, C, D, E, F and so on, and we have noted down their favorite fruits and we have made this table. Now you see, in this case, this organization of data is not that helpful because you see there are just 2-3 fruits: apple, orange, grapes, mango. So these are the 4 fruits which are getting repeated over and again. For example, A likes apple, D also likes apple, F also likes apple, I also likes apple, J also likes apple. So what's happening is the same fruit is getting repeated over and again. Now if I ask you, looking at this table, even though the data has been organized to some extent in this case because we have put them in a table, but if I ask you how many people like apple, so it again is going to take you some time to kind of find out how many of them like apple or how many of them like grapes or oranges. So is there any way that we can organize this data better? Yes, of course we can. So that is where we talk about frequency distribution table. So this is a new name to you. What is frequency distribution? Frequency means one number getting repeated over and again. So how many times one entry is getting repeated, that is the frequency of that entry. For example, if apple is getting repeated 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the frequency of apple. That means apple is getting repeated for 5 times, right? So that is the meaning of frequency. So whenever we come across a set of data where one entry or one particular number or one particular thing is getting repeated over and again, so there we make use of frequency distribution table. That is, we make another table like how we have made it here. So this is an example of frequency distribution table. So we have made a table. Instead of writing the names of the people, we have just written the names of the fruits because these are the only possible options. So people says that only one of these 4 fruits is their favorite fruit. So we have written the 4 possible options and then we have mentioned how many people like each of them. So apple is getting repeated 5 times. That means 5 people like apple. Orange is getting repeated for 3 times, which means that 3 people's favorite fruit is orange. For grapes, it is again 3. For mango, it is 1. So this type of table which is formed is called frequency distribution table. Now we make a frequency distribution table only when we come across a set of data where a particular entry gets repeated multiple number of times. Now, this example that we have taken is a relatively small example because here you see one entry is getting repeated for 3 times or 4 times or 5 times, which are like countable. You can very easily count them. Okay, 3 times, okay, 4 times. So it's easily countable. So you felt that making the frequency distribution table was pretty easy. But in real life scenario, you will actually come across a set of data where each entry might get repeated for 100 times, for 2000 times, for 15 times, 20 times. That is one greater number of times. So in that case, even counting them and then writing the total count also will not be easy. Like in this case, we very easily counted apple for 5 times and we wrote 5 here. But for bigger numbers, like where one entry is getting repeated for 20-30 times, counting and writing will also not be an easy task. So what do we do? Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.